In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a no makeup look in 5 minutes or less. I'm Rita Almusa, Master Esthetician and Beauty Expert, and I'm excited to show you what I'm doing basically every single day before I'm running out the house. The first step is to tone your face. I'm using a rose water toner, and this is a very important step when you are about to prep your skin for makeup. It will help to remove any residual cleanser or makeup that's left over onto your skin. The second step is applying the Collagen Serum by Mint Pear, and I'm actually going to mix this with the Mint Pear Rosehip Oil. These two together will really create a beautiful barrier for my skin and will also help to protect my skin from the environment in these harsh winter months. On top of those serums, I'm going to apply the Mint Pear Vitamin Rich Daily Moisturizer. These are steps that I'm doing every single day. No matter if I'm in a hurry, I will always do these steps because it's very important if you want to have beautiful skin to have a great skincare routine. I recommend you get into this habit. The final step for skincare is going to be the Under Eye Nourishing Cream by Mint Pear. Now that we're prepped for makeup, let's talk about foundations. Now for a no makeup look, you can easily use the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, but today I want to show you how you can use a regular foundation and make it look as though you're not really wearing that much makeup. I'm only using one pump of foundation, and I'm applying this with the flat top kabuki brush. Now this is going to spread the makeup really quickly, so if I'm in a rush, I can do this in no time and I don't have a mess on my hands. It's much faster than using your hands, it's much faster than using a beauty blending sponge. And as you can see, it's spreading it evenly and I'm getting an even coverage. The concealer that I'm using today is my favorite concealer, but it's also very lightweight, so it's perfect for this look because it will not apply very heavily, but it does the job. This is the Studio Skin 24 Hour by Smashbox, and I'm blending this in with the Mint Pear Beauty Blending Sponge to help speed up the process. And any that's left over on my sponge, I do take that over on top of my eyelid. I am not going to skip this step, so this is very important. If you want your makeup to stay in place all day long, this is the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. It only takes a second. Just throw it on. It will set your foundation and your concealer in place all day. And it also helps to reduce the pore size and conceal any blemishes. Now this is a go-to, this is a duo, so you have blush and bronzer in the same compact. This one's by NARS. Even if I'm in a rush, I will always apply bronzer and I will always apply blush. And the reason for that, because it brings life to your face. So usually when you're in a rush, it's because you haven't had a lot of sleep the night before typically. So this is really going to give your skin the boost that you need. This really helps to warm up the entire look, and it brings that nice natural flushed look to your cheeks. Now in the Just Peachy palette, I'm going to use a very neutral shade, and this is the only eyeshadow that I'm using for this look, and I'm only applying this over the main lid, and I'm not going higher than my crease. So this is going to be really quick, I know for a no makeup look, you're thinking, why would you be taking time to apply eyeshadow? But I feel like it's really important to warm up the eye, and using a shade that's a warm neutral color really helps to bring life to the face. And I just make sure that this is really well blended out through the crease, and it's as simple as that. To add a nice little touch, I'm using the Becca Champagne Pop. I'm just going over the very tips of my cheeks. And then I will also take this and go right over the bridge of my nose and over my Cupid's bow. And just a little bit in the inner corner of each eye to really give me that pop and make my eyes look awake. And like maybe I've spent more than 5 minutes on my makeup today. Now I am never ever going to skip eyebrows. I don't care what you're saying. Why is she doing her eyebrows? If you are saying, but Rita, eyebrows take so much time, and that takes, you know, 5-10 minutes in itself. If you're doing your eyebrows every single day, you will get better and better at it, so it's going to be quicker and quicker for you. If you want to skip eyebrows because they take too much time, that's completely up to you, but for myself, eyebrows are more important than mascara, so I always do my brows. And right here I'm using the IT Cosmetics brow pencil, which I think also helps to speed up the process. I just do a quick little curl on each eyelash. And I'm going to go ahead and skip the primer since we're in a rush, and I'm only going to do one coat of mascara to my top lashes. When you're going for a natural look, you don't really want to show that you're wearing mascara, so this step is really just to darken and thicken your lash. Now today I'm going with a neutral shade. I'm using the 502 by Shiseido. This is called Whisper. And I wanted something that would be very natural for this look. Of course, this is my new favorite nude, and I will probably use this in quite a few looks, but it just looks very great with this nice, easy, natural look. And it balances the face very well. Oh, it's time to go. It's almost been 5 minutes. We gotta get out of here. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you picked up a few easy tips. These are quick things that you can do to really glam up your look, make you look like you've spent a lot of time in the morning to get ready, and this look will last you all day long. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'm always here to help. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful day.